This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert a picture into a circle or a shape in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. Okay, I have Microsoft Word opened up now. First thing I'm going to do is insert my picture, and the way that I'm going to do that, I have some pictures in a folder here. I'm just going to drag my picture over and drop it onto my document. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to position my picture to where I can move it anywhere that I would like. The way to do that, I'm going to left click on it to select the image. Then I'm going to go up to the top up here and I'm going to click on the Layout tab. Layout. Then I'm going to go off to the right side of the ribbon here to where it says Wrap Text. I'm going to click that. And I'm going to go down to where it says Behind Text. And the only reason for that, now I can position my picture anywhere that I would like on my document. Now to change your picture into a circle or a shape, I will show you how to change it into a shape first. First thing you want to do is left click on your image to select it. As you can see, I have my image selected, the bounding boxes around my image. Next thing you want to do is go up to where it says Picture Format and click on Picture Format. Then on the ribbon off to the far right side, you could see where it says Crop. You want to click the little drop down arrow below Crop. Then you want to place your mouse cursor over where it says Crop to Shape. And then you'll slide straight off to the left hand side and you can choose any one of these shapes to crop your image into. I'm going to choose the oval shape. It doesn't give you a perfect circle shape, but it's very easy to change the oval into a circle. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to choose the oval shape. And now as you can see, my image has become an oval, but if you want a circle shape, first thing you want to do is make sure that your image is selected. Click on it to where it has the bounding box around it. You want to go back up to the top and you want to make sure that you're on the Picture Format tab. Then off to the right side of the ribbon, you want to click the drop down arrow below Crop again. And then you want to place your mouse cursor over Aspect Ratio. And for a perfect circle, you want to click on 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Now if you go back over to my document here, you could see it's a perfect circle now. I could place my cursor over that image and I could crop out whatever part of that image that I would like to crop out. I'm going to leave it just about like this here. I can also resize my image by pulling down on these border handles here. I'm going to leave it about like that there. And then to finalize the crop, you just hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Now I have my image cropped into a perfect circle. I can move that image anywhere I want on my document. I could still pull in from the sides to resize my image however big I want. That is how to crop an image into a circle or a shape in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.